When it comes to improving the energy efficiency of your Fort Worth home or business, one often overlooked but highly impactful upgrade is custom door replacement. Whether it's a front entry door, patio sliding door, or a back door, upgrading to a custom door can provide both aesthetic and practical benefits, helping you reduce energy costs, increase comfort, and boost the overall value of your property. In this article, we'll explore the energy efficiency advantages of replacing old or outdated doors with custom, energy-efficient models tailored to meet the specific needs of Fort Worth homes and businesses. Enhanced insulation for better temperature control. One of the primary benefits of replacing your old door with a custom option is the improvement in insulation. Older doors, particularly those that are not properly sealed or insulated, can be a major source of heat loss or gain. This leads to uneven temperatures inside your home or business, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor climate and forcing your HVAC system to work harder to compensate. Custom doors, on the other hand, are designed with advanced insulating materials, such as foam cores, fiberglass, or multi-pane glass. These materials offer superior thermal performance, effectively blocking heat transfer between the interior and exterior of your property. Whether you're trying to keep the cool air in during the scorching summer months or retain the warmth during Fort Worth's chilly winters, a custom door will help ensure your space remains comfortable year-round. Improved energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Fort Worth is no stranger to fluctuating temperatures, with summers regularly pushing into the triple digits and winters sometimes dipping below freezing. This can lead to substantial energy consumption if your doors aren't properly insulated. Inefficient doors can cause your HVAC system to work overtime, which in turn leads to higher utility bills. By upgrading to a custom door designed with energy efficiency in mind, you can significantly reduce the strain on your heating and cooling systems. High-quality custom doors are built with features like low emissivity, low E glass, which reflects heat rather than absorbing it, and advanced weather stripping to create a tight seal around the frame. These upgrades help maintain a stable indoor temperature, reducing the amount of energy required to heat or cool your home. As a result, you'll likely see a noticeable decrease in your monthly energy bills. Increased durability and long-term savings. Investing in custom door replacement also means investing in long-term energy savings. While stock doors may be more affordable up front, they often lack the durability and energy-efficient features of custom options. Over time, poorly insulated doors can deteriorate, causing gaps that allow drafts to enter and cool air to escape. These gaps can lead to an increase in energy usage, which means higher ongoing costs. Custom doors, however, are made to withstand the elements and are typically constructed from high-quality, durable materials that offer superior resistance to wear and tear. Additionally, many custom door manufacturers offer warranties on their products, giving homeowners peace of mind that their investment will continue to pay off for years to come. Better noise control for a more comfortable environment. Energy efficiency isn't just about controlling temperature, it's also about controlling other environmental factors, such as noise. Fort Worth is a bustling city with varying levels of traffic, and for many homeowners, noise pollution can become an issue. Custom doors, especially those designed with soundproofing features, can help reduce outside noise, allowing you to enjoy a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Soundproof custom doors are designed with thicker materials and seals that reduce the transmission of noise, ensuring that outside sounds like traffic, construction, or nearby events don't disrupt your comfort. This added benefit further enhances the quality of life in your home or business, while also contributing to energy efficiency by improving overall air tightness. Aesthetic appeal and increased property value. While energy efficiency is the key benefit, custom doors also add visual appeal to your property. Whether you're updating the front entrance of your home or adding elegant sliding doors to a patio, custom doors can complement your property's architectural style, making a significant impact on curb appeal. Moreover, high-quality, energy-efficient doors can increase your property's market value. Prospective buyers are often drawn to homes and businesses that feature energy-saving upgrades, knowing they will benefit from lower utility costs and a more comfortable living or working environment. Conclusion: replacing old doors with custom energy-efficient doors is a smart, long-term investment for Fort Worth homeowners and business owners alike. The energy efficiency benefits, ranging from improved insulation and reduced energy bills to increased durability and noise control, make custom door replacement an attractive solution for anyone looking to enhance their property's performance. With the added advantage of aesthetic appeal and potential long-term savings, it's clear that custom doors offer more than just a stylish upgrade. They're a powerful tool for optimizing your energy efficiency and creating a more comfortable, sustainable living space.